And this has definitely been the most intense, high-demand time of my life. I have an 8-month-old son, I'm nursing, and I'm in the middle of this book launch. And it's interesting, I've actually been super calm through the whole thing. I mean, I get a little nervous sometimes, I get overwhelmed sometimes, but largely, I've just been taking it as it comes and having a ball. I think mostly because I'm grateful.
It's Charles Chen. I am here with Emily Fletcher, who is a leading expert in meditation. You're the founder of Ziva Meditation and author of this awesome new book, Stress Less, Accomplish More.
That's right. At this point, we all know we should be meditating. No one's meditating. It's like the science is in, but we're all too busy. We all feel frustrated because we can't clear our minds. And that's what this book does. It reframes meditation as this beautiful, powerful performance-enhancing tool, as a productivity enhancement tool, so that you can no longer use the excuse, I don't have time to meditate, because it can actually help you be better at your job, make more money, have better sex, have better sleep, and oh yeah, you're gonna be a nicer person as well.
All right, so Emily, tell me about the 3 trifectas. What are the 3 M's?
Yeah, so Ziva is this powerful trifecta of mindfulness, meditation, and manifesting. Mindfulness to get rid of your stress in the now, meditation to get rid of your stress from the past, and manifesting to help you with your dreams for the future. And the cool thing is that the whole really is greater than the sum of its parts. Because you can meditate all day, but if you don't know what it is that you want, it's hard for nature to bring you the thing. Conversely, you could have vision boards lining your walls and watching The Secret on repeat, but if you're not meditating, chances are you don't believe that you deserve your desires. And y'all, we don't get what we want in life, we get what we believe we deserve.
How do you recommend people read the book?
So it is meant to be a matriculation. It makes you self-sufficient. So you get the key to the car and the driving instructions. And once you graduate, once you read the book, you don't need me anymore. You'll have this practice, these tools to take with you for life. But if you want to just cut to the chase, you can go right to chapter 8 of the book or chapter 12 on Audible, and that's where I actually teach the 3 M's. But I wrote the book in 3 parts. The first third is all the selfish reasons of why we come to meditation. So there's a whole chapter on why it can improve your sleep, a whole chapter on how it can improve your sex, a whole chapter on how it can reverse your body age and increase your immune function. And then part 2 is when I actually teach the technique. And then part 3, we look at the ripple effect. We zoom the lens out and we say, how does you selfishly improving yourself impact your relationships? How does this impact your family, your coworkers, and ultimately humanity itself? And there are some fun takeaway tips as well. So there's a whole section on improving your immune system. So there's a recipe in there that I'm happy to share with you for black pepper tea, which is the simplest, easiest, cheapest immune cure. So if you feel like you're coming down with something and you get a little tickle in the back of your throat, I recommend boiling some water, using a little bit of black pepper. So organic black pepper, just grind like 6 grinds, and then let the grinds settle to the bottom and drink the water. It should be so hot that it induces a fever and it helps you to sweat out the cold. Do that every 3 hours and extra meditation, and you're going to be much less likely to get a cold again.
Where can people find the book?
So you can get the book Stress Less, Accomplish More almost anywhere books are sold. Amazon, Barnes & Noble, Books A Million. You can get on Audible. I did the audio recording. And then if you want some bonuses, there's like a little golden egg inside of the book that gives you some companion bonuses, some audio and video versions of the exercises that I teach at the end of the chapters. And then if you want to learn more about our online courses or live courses, you can just go to zivameditation.com.